Hey guys, I wanted to take you through some of these kind of questions that you might have if you're thinking about really working with us at Pearl Lemon Leads, and I want to really kind of answer the probably objections that you have in your head. So number one, it's a big one, right? What if we don't deliver? What if we make huge promises and we don't deliver? If we don't deliver, we will keep working for you for free until we do. If we don't deliver and we keep working for you and we still don't deliver, then we can explore sending you your money back. I don't ever want to be that guy, to be honest with you, that, does delivery, works really hard and then gets you absolutely nothing. What typically happens in terms of not delivering, the honest truth is that, you get kind of partial delivery because things take testing and things take time. Everything does, right? I know that you know that as part of being in business, as being, the CEO, the founder, the partner, the managing director, the business development manager, the procurement manager, it's never a smooth ride, okay? What I can tell you is that I promise that we're going to do our damnedest to deliver. And when things do come up, and they always do, we work incredibly hard to resolve every problem. So that is the worst case scenario, that it would end in me just saying, you know what, we have tried, nothing has worked. Do you want us to send you your money back? In the process of trying, it's what's actually led us to doing things like making these videos. It's what's led to us getting awards. It's what's led to us having the tons of case studies that you can see on our website, on YouTube. You could ask me about them, and the tons of results that we have got for clients because of this desire that I have to help you win. So that's really the what sits underneath us not delivering, and I hope that makes sense. So the next question is, what if leads are missing the meeting? The reality is that's going to happen sometimes. Sometimes leads are just not going to show up. Sometimes leads we're going to email, we're going to call, we're going to book in their calendar, we're going to send them an SMS, we're going to maybe call again and check in, and they're still not going to show. That happens sometimes, but to be honest with you, between emailing, between calling, between sending a calendar reminder, leads tend to show up. So that is what you can expect. And if leads miss the meeting, then we'll do a couple of things. We'll put them into a drip campaign saying, hey Frank, we missed you. Where are you? Hey Frank, it's been a little while. Depending upon the value of the lead, we can actually call back and see if we can chase them. So it really depends upon, the level of the accounts that we're going after, the volume of the market, like the total and addressable market. But these are some of the things that we can do and activate if leads miss the meeting. And my job with this actual video is to give you the worst case scenarios and to actually let you know that the worst absolute case is never as bad as anyone thinks. But I want to share that with you so that so there's just nothing that's hidden. So that's what happens if leads miss a meeting. We will chase where it's relevant, and where it's not relevant, if people are ignoring us, then we'll move on to other leads that are more interested. Because if leads miss a meeting and then they don't follow up, then what can you do? You move forward. What if the leads are crap? So that can also happen, right? Leads turn up, leads aren't quite qualified. So that's a problem, for example, of the targeting, or it might be a problem of the messaging. And this is really a factor of testing. We'll get the ideal market from you. If you're not sure on the market, or we feel that you know the market, or you feel that we know the market, and then we do testing and lots of the leads aren't coming in correctly, that suggests that we need to make an adjustment in our processes. With all of that being said, if we've only had 2 leads come in and 2 of them are crap, it doesn't mean the market's crap. It could just be a factor of those particular people that responded. So we need to give it enough testing. We need to build enough of it in. And that's really something that we factor in and you don't need to worry about. Because sometimes the leads will be crap, but we're going to work with that. We're going to adjust. We split test, we optimize, and you'll get the delivery that you're looking for. How can we be sure that we'll sign up? I can't promise you the sale, my friend. I can promise that I will help you with the sale. I can promise that you can watch our sales training videos. I can promise that we give sales training consulting and we got programs. I can promise you that I will get you qualified leads. I cannot promise you that they will sign up. But as a consequence of our processes, as a consequence of supporting each other, I can promise that you will end up getting more sales. If you stick with our processes, if you work with our methodologies, and if you commit to this process of testing, scaling, and then letting us give you delivery, that's how we can ultimately be sure that these people will actually sign up? Do you close deals? It's a really interesting question, right? This is like the dream, isn't it? Do you close a deal? Do you do all of the way up to sale so I can just deliver the actual client? Largely, we don't. We take them up to the point as close as we can to sale, and then we let you seal the deal. We definitely let you seal the deal. So we generate the lead, we can qualify the lead, we can book them into your calendar. As of yet, as of me making this video right now in 2019, we don't actually close deals. It's possible that we will in the future, but at the moment we don't close a deal. I'm sure you understand why. Your complex service, we might missell it, we might misrepresent it, there'll be problems post-sale, all of these factors that come into play, but that is the truth of what we do. But we'll get you there, we'll get you close to the deal. Final thing is that you're expensive. Deepak, you guys charge thousands of pounds a month, you're super expensive. Guys, actually we're really cheap. We're really cheap because we're going to save you months of working with the wrong person. We're going to save you the hours involved of working with the wrong person. We're going to save your team hours of getting delivery from the wrong person. We're going to save you more hours in recruitment and talking to recruitments and hiring and spending and marketing. And we're also, within all of that kind of 6 months of dancing around, trying with different businesses, they tell you they can do this, they tell you they do that, but do they practice what they preach? Do they go overboard? Do they try and work on over delivery? Do they, by hook or by crook, make sure they get you the lead? We do all of those things. That's what makes us actually cheaper, because ultimately you're going to get a positive ROI. You're going to make way more money than you spend with us. So for all of those reasons, we're actually cheap. Hope that answers some of your questions. I'm sure you've got some more. Therefore, I'm sure I'll make some more videos. But we would love at Pearl Lemon Leads if you worked with us on this journey of lead generation.